This video will outline the various options available from the More tab. Tap More on the main menu. Let's start with User Manual. Here you'll find a number of tutorials outlining how to set up and use your BlueDriver. If you're watching this video, you may have already discovered this section. Next, there's Contact Us. From here, you can access our helpful Frequently Asked Questions section, as well as find a variety of ways to contact us. Our support team will be happy to assist you from any of the listed methods. However, sending an email will automatically attach information which may allow them to solve your issue more quickly. Most support options are available to assist you 24/7. Up next, we have the Settings menu. Let's quickly review the options available here. Our privacy statement is available for review by tapping View. Under Always On Display, you can opt to override your device's screen timeout settings while using BlueDriver. Next, you can turn Pro Tips on and off. Pro Tips are messages that you'll receive periodically that provide info on how to best use the app. If you would like to see previously encountered Pro Tips again, you can tap Reset, which will trigger all Pro Tips to appear again. Under Units of Measurement, you can choose between imperial or metric. Finally, you can change the live data mode. More about live data display options can be found in the live data video. Returning to the More menu, let's look at Update Sensor. We strive to improve your BlueDriver experience by continually adding functionality to this app. Sometimes, when we release an app update, the BlueDriver sensor will require a firmware update in order to unlock new functionality. From this menu, you can check to see if there are any firmware updates. If an update is available, simply tap Update while the sensor is connected to your vehicle and wait for the update to finish. Note, you should never unplug your sensor, leave the BlueDriver app, or answer a call during a firmware update. Back on the More menu, you can also find the Order Sensor option. To ensure a flawless user experience, the BlueDriver app and BlueDriver sensor work exclusively together. If you're checking out the BlueDriver app but don't yet own a BlueDriver sensor, you can order one here. You can buy from our website or buy from Amazon. The final option available is Rate and Review. We're deeply committed to delivering the best experience possible for our customers. Please leave a review for BlueDriver to let us know how we're doing. It would be greatly appreciated. Those are all the options available from the More menu. If you're having trouble with anything found on the More tab or any other BlueDriver feature, don't worry. Our world-class support team is here to help. Contact them 24/7.